Choosing the right attorney can be a big decision and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But asking the right questions can make all the difference. I'm attorney Anthony Spratley with Genus Law Group. I'm also a veteran here in New Mexico. Today, I'm going to walk you through the key questions you should ask before hiring any attorney, especially for personal injury or family law cases. So, first, you need to ask, does the attorney have experience with cases like mine? This might seem like an obvious question, but it's incredibly important. Not all legal cases are the same. You want an attorney who has experience with your specific type of case. For example, if you're dealing with a car accident injury, you need someone who knows the ins and outs of personal injury law. Ask them, how many cases like mine have you handled? What were the outcomes? You want to hear that not only have they handled similar cases, but also successfully navigated them. This experience is crucial because it means they know what to expect, how to negotiate with insurance companies, and how to maximize your compensation. Second, will the attorney act in my best interest rather than in their own? Next, you need to really know if the attorney is looking out for you or just their bottom line. This can be tricky because, of course, attorneys want to get paid for their work, but you want someone who puts your needs first and not theirs. You can get a sense of this during your initial consultation. Are they listening to you? Do they seem to care about your case? Or are they just giving you a sales pitch about how great they are? A good attorney will be honest with you, even if it's not what you want to hear. They'll explain the strengths and weaknesses of your case and won't pressure you into making decisions that aren't in your best interest. So trust your gut on this one. If they seem more interested in their fees than your outcome, keep looking. All right, third, how do the attorney's fees compare to other attorneys? So let's talk about the money part. Hiring an attorney can be expensive, but that doesn't mean you have to settle for the most expensive option. At the same time, you don't want to go with the cheapest lawyer you can find because you often get what you paid for. So mostly personal injury attorneys work on a contingency fee basis, meaning they'll only get paid if you win. But it's still important to ask, what percentage of my settlement will you take? And are there any additional costs I need to be aware of? Be sure to compare this with other attorneys to make sure you're getting a fair deal. Some lawyers may offer a lower fee, but add on hidden costs later. So make sure everything is clear and in writing before you sign anything. So to recap, first, make sure the attorney has experience with cases like yours. Second, ensure they're acting in your best interest and not just their own. And third, compare fees and make sure you understand all the costs that are involved. Okay, so I'm attorney Anthony Spratley with Genus Law Group here in New Mexico. I hope these tips help you make a more informed decision when choosing your attorney. If you need help with the legal issue, feel free to reach out. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so thank you. And until next time, we'll see you in New Mexico.